proudest moment since starting out is probably launching. Despite some of the things we've done in the last 12 months, I think actually getting going, having vans in my territory, after months of planning and training, felt absolutely amazing.
New technicians, new vans, all great and gleaming, and that was the most pride I've taken out of 5 years. Definitely can't beat that.
Our proudest moment since we started was probably getting our third van, because then we just knew, right, now it's growth.
I've just got 150 Google reviews, 5-star, as I think it was yesterday. So that's a pretty proud moment.
I take a lot of pride out of people that are really struggling, you know, and whether it's technically or just, you know, it can be stuff at home that actually just spills into work. I can't help them with stuff at home, but you can kind of put people back onto the right path. I take a lot of pride in that.
When I hear good things about our work, our business, it's a highlight for me. So I have many of them.